Alright, so today we're going to build a calculator using FlowPro. Let's get into it. So first you want to go to the block section and we want to put a start block. So we're going to start with this. And our calculator is going to be a really basic calculator. So we just want two inputs. So we want two inputs, yeah. So let's put in two inputs. And so this will be the first thing we want to calculate, and then we have another input here. Alright, so we have two inputs, but we need to assign these to a variable. So let's find a variable here. So for the first input, we're going to assign it to a variable. We're going to call this x, and it's going to initialize as whatever you put here. So we're going to put 3 there, and we're going to assign it to another variable. We're going to call this one y, and it's going to, oh no, this is what we want. So we want to add 3 and 3, and we're going to assign the variable y. And what we want to do is we're going to add these two values. So let's say numeric. So we want to add those two values. So we say we want to add x and y. So add x and y, and we should get the output. So we want to output some results. So output. Alright, so let's run this script and we see we get 6. So if you want to change this, we can change, let's say we want 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And let's do, so we change this to 5. We want to change the next short text input. We want to change this to 5 as well, and we want to run it. So now we get a 10. Let's say you want to do this a little bit better. Maybe you want to do the user. So right now, this is the user interaction part. So once we press run script, as you can see, it's been updated. So if we wanted the user to put in the values, what could we do? We are going to change the short text input, and we're going to put a user simple input. All right, so we had this as assigned to x. So we actually could skip these two steps. So let's drag this up here, and we're going to say the variable name is x, and we say enter first value. Alright, and then that's basically it. And we're going to do the same thing for the other one. Let's backspace there. Use a simple input. So this is y, enter second value. Alright, so what we had here, we had 5, we had a variable, we just need this. So let's add x and y, and we should run this. So we might get an error actually. Let's make sure to save it. Still saying 10 for some reason. That shouldn't be. Let's clear the world. Right, so we get nothing, right? So let's build the form. And now we could see 3 and 3, and what we get in 6. Let's see what the 10 plus 3 is 13. So basically what happens is user simple input actually creates a input here, right? So the user could actually interact with your script. So let's say we want to hide it. Basically this is all they'll be seeing, and then you'll see the output below. So right there this is a very simple calculator with FlowPro.